If you have anything that you want to improve on these, always remember you can email me and say, look, I'd like to see more detail, or I didn't understand what you did here. It would be helpful to make these better. So I'm starting out with number 1 and 2. I'm going to send you to lesson 11, number 1 and 2 on WebAssign videos, because these have examples that go through this, and also number 1 and 2 here don't have any red in them. That means that these numbers don't change from cadet to cadet. So I don't want to work these out. I'm going to send you to the other lesson where I work something out. But if you need help on it after seeing those, please do feel free to contact me and I'll see if I can give you a nudge. Going to number 3, the first step is to find A and D on any one of these recursion equations. So A is 2 in this case and D is 0. So what is P star? In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to find P star from scratch because we have something nonlinear. But here I don't have, I'm just going to use the formula D over 1 minus A, which is why I peeled out A and D. And if I plug those in, I get 0. And then I'm asked about the long-term behavior. And in this case, the long-term behavior that I'm looking for is the actual limits. And you see these limit notation. We made a table in class, so we don't have to keep thinking about it. But you can certainly run this on Excel, and we can run this on Excel and see what happens. I don't want to do it on Excel right now. I can just go to the table. I'm going to do it on Excel later. But if I go to the table, I see that if P0 is bigger than P star, I go to plus infinity. If P0 is less than P star, I go to minus infinity. In this case, P star is 0. So if I start out with 425, that's bigger than P star. And so I'm going to go to plus infinity in the first case. In the second case, if I start out with negative 75, that's below 0, which was my P star. So I go to minus infinity.